Hi everybody, it's me Camila Rose and I'm back for another budgeting video, and this time we're going to be doing sinking funds part 1, December, paycheck 2, paycheck 1, paycheck 2, paycheck 2 technically. I split my sinking funds into 2 videos because I have a ton of them. And I've noticed people do like sinking funds unstuffing videos to see how much they saved. I may do that next year. Maybe I'll do that this year with another video, but not with these ones, because I gotta get the money put away first, and then I can see how much I saved throughout the year. But I don't want to do it for like the ones that I spend money. Like, I know I'm gonna spend the money out of my parents, my birthday ones, maybe 4th of July, maybe Thanksgiving, maybe Christmas, definitely New Year's. But like some of the other ones, for sure, like I won't actually be spending out of those as much, so I can see how much I've saved. So that might be a little fun. I might do that for one of my fun filler videos. But anyways, if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're gonna get into cash stuffing these envelopes. See y'all in just a second. Okay, let's go, because these videos can take quite some time, and I am hoping and praying that I am able to have the money to switch things out. So we have parents' anniversary gets 3. We should have 38. So we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. We get 1, 2, 3. I feel like I'm just going to be trading out the same $3, y'all, so bear with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to trade that for a 5 because I have a ton of 5s. So put that $5 back. And I hope y'all can't hear. Somebody's dog is really having a moment. But 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41. Okay. $41 for parents' anniversary, and their anniversary is in February, and the total should be 40. Oh, and we're at 41. So yay, we've made their cut. We've already met that goal for the year. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right. Mom's B-Day gets 30. Should have 30. Oh, we've done Mom's birthday too. Oh, and this is Mom's B-Day? Oh, this is Mother Father's Day. I was like, that's not right. That's supposed to get 32. No, that's supposed to have 13. Okay, great. All right. Ooh, I was confused. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And it's supposed to get 3. So 1, 2, 3. Which should give us 16. We're going to go ahead and write 16 in there. And we're going to trade this out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to switch that out for a 10. Put these over here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch that out for a 5. Put that over here. $16. Yay! Okay. All right, now we get to my mom's birthday, which should have 30. That's her goal. Perfect, but we're gonna go ahead and keep adding. So 1, 2, and 3. And I was supposed to hit this in January. Should have been next month. So 3 a month. Goal is 30 at the very least. We have 33 in there right now. That extra will probably go towards postage or something. Dad's birthday gets $3. He should also be at 30. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Puts us at 33. There we go. 30. Ooh, there goes my pen. 33. My sister's birthday. Oh, my sister's birthday just passed. So let's see what we have to work with. We have 10, 11, 12, 13. $13 left. Cool. She gets 3. 1, 2, and 3, leaving us with 16. Come on. There we go. Okay. I need to change those because I have $30 goals, but I need to add that it actually should be 36, including if they come to visit, $6 for a card and postage to send whatever I'm sending them. So I should change that. But my sister's is at 16. Cool. All right, so now we get to Juneteenth / 4th of July. I'm moving pretty quickly through this one. That makes me very happy. It gets 3. I think it's because I have change. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yep, 24. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27. Perfect. I'm debating on whether I want to trade these out for 5. I kind of think I do. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Easier, 27. For Juneteenth / 4th of July. And then Thanksgiving is going back to getting 15. Ooh, we've got, this is what we have. Because Thanksgiving just passed. I am going to pull out my change and put that in my little folder thing. Here's my receipts from Thanksgiving, and we had $30 left over. So we're going to get 15, 5, and a 10. So that leaves us with 20, 30, 40, 45. Starting out with 45 for 2022. Alrighty. 2045. Okay. Christmas gets 20. I have already spent 45 from Christmas, and I'm gonna up Christmas for next year. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 100, 20, 130, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 220, 230. We had 275, so that's exactly minus 45. And now we want to do another 20. We love it so much. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 250 is what we have. So that will be gas money here and back. So technically, if we're looking at, I'll fill up twice. Oh, I don't have any change for these. Boo! So I fill up twice, that would be 60. And so that leaves me with 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that leaves me with 194. But gas has gone up, so we probably will need to put more money towards gas. Annoying. But this is my envelope for that. I will grab that and take it with me. We were at, no, I don't even remember. And then New Year's. New Year's will have to change because I am definitely going to need more money for New Year's if I ever want to actually do anything on New Year's. I probably need at least like $100. We had 3, so it gets $2 now, so we're at 5. Let me see how many ones I have left to decide if I need to get changed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is not necessarily a lot. Yeah, let me go get changed. Okay, so we're at 5, right? No. Yes? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll put all of these here. Grab a 5 from here. At 20, 20, whatever that year is, we're looking at 5. I'm going to redo this one. So we're going to change it from being $2. I need to change it. Let me make a note for myself because I don't want to get confused. So at once I need to redo. I want to reassess Thanksgiving. Reassess. sinking funds. I think Thanksgiving is fine, but I want to look at it. I want to put a little bit more towards Christmas, and I definitely need to redo New Year's. So I will leave this as is for now, but I'm going to take those into account. Okay, so 275 minus 45 left us with $30 plus 20 is 250. Okay. Woo! All right, y'all, we did it. Oh, I did 10 minutes. Go me, go me. Okay, done with sinking funds, stuffing, part 1. I will see y'all in a little bit for our second part. Hope y'all are having a great year. Hope your sinking funds were just filled to the brim. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.